Alright, so I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how I'm gonna start this. Welcome, I guess. Thanks for tuning in to me getting my life together, apparently. So I had a bunch of Arduino stuff hanging around, and I thought that I wanted to finally do something with it. So I bought more stuff to do stuff with it. So the first thing that I kind of want to try to do, I don't know the logistics of this or how any of this is going to work. Obviously, if it didn't, you're not going to be seeing this right now, but I want to do something with Nintendo Labo. Because I went into this knowing that I was probably going to be very underwhelmed. And I was. So I want to see if I can do something with it. And see if I can maybe make it so that the different keys can control stuff going on my computer. Or something like that. Now, I don't know if you're aware of how Nintendo Labo works. So I'm going to pull this Joy-Con out here. But on the inside, there, you can see all the way through. But when I press a button, which you probably won't be able to see. When I press a button, a reflective piece of tape comes up, and the camera on the bottom... What in the world? So, the IR camera on the bottom of the Joy-Con actually reads those reflective pieces of tape coming up to know what buttons are being pressed. So, there's two things that I could do here. So, the two things that we could do are have an IR camera looking for those reflective pieces of tape and having things happen accordingly, but that seems a little too much. I don't really know if that's possible, and I don't even know if I have an IR camera. But what I do have is a microphone. I have a little microphone thing, and I also have a USB microphone, which I don't know if I can even use it yet, but it's worth a shot. The idea with using the microphone as the input is that it will be listening to the speaker in the piano and listen for the different frequencies and be able to do things based off the different frequencies. The idea is I can take this and apply it to the Nintendo Labo. But for right now, we don't even need the Nintendo Labo. We don't even need the Switch. So, let's get started, I guess. So because I don't have a flat table or surface, we're going to be using the ground. But I want to make sure it's clean first. Let's get started. I don't really know where I should get started here. Thought I had a microphone in here somewhere. Is there no microphone? Oh, Lord. Well, luckily I have another kit, so let's see if there's anything in this kit. Oh boy. Alright, so, upon further inspection, I don't have any of what I need. Which, kind of a problem. I think what I'm going to do now is buy one online, because I need a microphone. Alright, so, unsurprisingly, I messed up. Big time. Not really big time, but I don't even have a microphone. So, I guess I'll see you guys in a day or two. Alright, so here it is in the mail. It has finally arrived. Because I ordered it on a Thursday, so I was hoping it would have came Friday, but I had to wait until Monday. So here I am, here it is, and let's get on with the build. So, I got a Raspberry Pi Zero, Raspberry Pi Zero W, the microphone, and I got a headphone jack, just in case. Because you never know. I just got these for future projects in the event that I want to use them, but I'm not certain yet. So these are all unimportant for now. Now, whoa. Now let's get into it. So now we have the microphone and the breadboard. Now we need to get the Arduino involved. I shouldn't have put this on upside down. Oh God, how am I gonna get this out? Okay. Alright. Okay, so the VDD port right here, which is the second from the top, the VDD is going to go into the 3.3 volt on the Arduino. And the ground is going to connect to the ground, obviously. So the way that you would usually do this with a breadboard is you would put this 3.3 into the positive of the breadboard, and then take another cable and connect the ground on the Arduino into the negative. You can connect it anywhere. It doesn't have to be in line. But now this whole way from the very top to the very bottom on the left side, the positive is going to be all power and the negative is going to be all ground. So now I can just go straight from here into the VDD for power. I can put in any of them, so I'm going to put in that one. And then for the ground, I need another cable. Plug in here, plug in up there, and now that's going to go to ground. So now the circuit is complete for this microphone. Now I have to figure out how I'm going to get input. So the other things that we have here are the gain, out, and AR. I don't know what out is. So this is going to go into A0, which I'm going to use as an analog input. There's 5 analog inputs on this side, and these are all digital on the right side. Because digital is just 1 or 0, analog is the whole spectrum with decimals and all that. So this is going to help me determine these different values and whatnot. So is that all that I need? Okay, actually I think that's all I need. And I just realized I still had the Arduino plugged in, which is never a good idea. Come on. Alright. I have no idea what the plan actually is. So I'm just going to open up the Arduino IDE here and see what I can just quickly put together to have it output the information that it's sending from the microphone to the console of the Arduino IDE. To see what kind of information is going through when I make different sounds, and to see if you can make one value show up consistently through notes. And I'm going to take the Nintendo Labo back out so we can get to it. So I've been starting to fear more and more that it's the circuit that's not working and not the programming. So what I'm going to do is move everything to a smaller, more compact breadboard, which I'm going to need to end up doing anyway if I want it to fit inside the Nintendo Labo. So here I have a tiny breadboard. I don't know if that should be soldered. Maybe that's the issue. Does this have to be soldered onto this? Okay, so it's of my understanding that I have to solder the little pins right here onto it. I kind of thought it would just be able to slide and sit on top like that, but apparently that's a big no-no. So I'm going to venture into my first time ever soldering something, I guess, because science. See what's up. Oh, I felt some of that. Alright. Oh, you wouldn't believe it, I'm doing it. Oh god, I'm breathing it. Kinda ran out at the end here. And the VDD is one of the most important ones. Oh, I got it. No, we're good. Nice and soldered. Wow, I just did that and it worked, I think. Alright, so I am kind of glad I ordered that headphone jack because what I'm going to do is set up the circuit to work with the microphone, and I'm going to have the output of the microphone go back into the headphone jack and into this pair of headphones, just to see if I can get anything at all from this microphone, because I'm not sure if it's broken or if I just don't know what I'm doing, but I'm going to go get the headphone jack now and see what's up.